It is now time to celebrate some birthdays on this glorious Thursday, and we are starting gloriously in Independence with Felicity Huser, turning 2 years old today. Happy birthday, Felicity.
Ah, what a cute little girl. Happy birthday, Felicity. And Katiana. You think that's how she says her name?
I'll bet it's Katiana.
Katiana Bond. Ah, what a sweetheart, is celebrating birthday number 4 in Riverton. Her birthday was actually yesterday.
So remember, double the celebration, Katiana. Just tell your parents, be like, hey, they said on the TV this morning I can have 2 birthdays, so you better let them know.
And speaking of double the fun, we already had one Huser on our list.
We have another one.
Yes, we do.
Lucy, turning 6 years old today, also, of course, in Independence. So, boy, that's got to be one heck of a birthday to have 2 kids born on the same day, but not in the same year. They're not twins. Very interesting. What are the odds of that happening? Lucy and Felicity, get out there and celebrate big today.
All right, pretty cool. And in Galena, Carson Ballard celebrating birthday number 8 this year. Somebody's been getting into the face paint, loving it. Carson is in Galena with love from Mom and Dad.
We've also got Braden Rush turning 19. Look at all of that he's managed to catch. Braden is celebrating birthday number 19 in Jasper.
And also in Jasper, Amanda Fostick turning 37 years old. Happy birthday, Amanda.
We've also got George Obanion Jr. celebrating birthday number 39 over in Arma, Kansas. And George, this comes with love from Mama.
And if George is celebrating a birthday, that means his brother Michael is celebrating an anniversary. Sounds like somebody wanted to steal the show. No, just kidding. Michael and Jennifer Obanion are celebrating their 14th anniversary.
So he's had to share the last 14 years his birthday with his brother's anniversary.
It looks like it.
I tell you, that's some good planning right there. We've also got some twins. Now we've got some twins, Robert and Irene Hood, in Devon, Kansas, turning 80 years old today, and I imagine that's the double the party yet again in Devon. Very happy birthday to Robert and Irene. Rob and Irene Hood. My goodness, I can't read sometimes.
You see all the KU?
They're still twins, though.
You see all the KU gear in this picture? We got a hat, we got a shirt, we got something on the table that was a gift. Pretty cool.
They're ready to go for this year's party, too.
Rock chalk. Liking it. All right, out in Chetopa, RichardStapleton celebrating birthday number 82 this year. Nice picture there of Richard.
We've also got Gilbert Patterson turning 83 in Joplin. Very happy birthday to you, Gilbert.
All right, and we've got Warren Rooms turning 83 years old in Frontenac. Actually, a belated birthday wish going out to Mr. Rooms. Hope you had a wonderful day. Keep on celebrating today.
We've also got Kay Zwallen turning 87 in Wyandotte. A very happy birthday to you, Kay.
All right, and it wouldn't be a birthday without a party in the bus. Sonia Doyle, happy birthday to you. And in Chanute, Perry Davis is 64.
A lot of good birthdays today. Very good birthdays. Yesterday, apparently not many people were born yesterday, at least in our area. Obviously, globally, several people celebrated birthdays yesterday, but locally, we were just
Or maybe they didn't just send them in. And if you do have one to send in, all you have to do is submit it to us at birthdayswithan@koamtv.com. Please send us a picture. We like to share those too. Or you can send it to birthdays@koamnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're there, make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses, and all you have to do is visit our site, sign up for that birthday club, so make sure you do it. Today,